In your opinion, or from your point of view, when will you be ready to file a case against Martin?
We've been studying the Martin Romualdez case for the past 40 days since we came into office. Let me tell you, Martin is a fraternity brother.
Yes.
He entered the fraternity when I was the illustrious fellow. So we have a naturally close relationship. We work together in Congress. I answered this call once because we respect each other. He talked to me. That was before I assumed office, but after I was appointed. And after that, I didn't talk to him anymore because I have to think clearly about these cases. I posited an idea that the evidence is slow in coming because Martin, knowing him, never talks about money to anybody. That's his way of doing business, especially politics. He never talks about the money. But from all that we see right now, it appears that flood control became a currency, a political currency of sorts. How this be treated as a criminal matter is another matter, is another issue. So we have to go and look at the evidence that would pinpoint a specific violation of law and a specific culpability. But there are other angles that we're looking at that I cannot reveal right now. I've discussed, even this morning with my people, I've discussed with certain politicians from the House who are not with him, and I just gave them an idea of what can be, but we are not letting up now.
Follow-up. So when? I mean, you say it's hard to evidence, etc. So when? You think it will be filed within the year? I mean, not this year, but at least in the next 6 months or 9 months?
Oh, yes.
You think so?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll hold you to that.
Yes, ma'am. And let me tell you, I do not want to file a lousy case. I will never file a lousy case. I'm not that kind of person. I want things to be done properly. I want it to be documented. I want it to be solid. And I want to look the justices in the eye that if you miss out on this case, it's your problem, not mine.